Damion Crawford again. I'm just coming from where my mom has grown me up to say, speak the truth, speak it ever, cause it what it will. It isn't the same thing to say that you're selling hope as to say you're telling a lie. And sometimes in politics it seems automatic that in an effort to sell hope, you automatically tell a lie. Nobody can promise you a bed of roses. And I personally feel that no politician or government can take you from poverty to prosperity. That is your own responsibility. And so it's really the government's responsibility not to make it more difficult for you. But if you don't put your ducks in a row to take advantage of whatever opportunities are provided, even to do work in spite of government if opportunities are not provided, you will never move from poverty to prosperity. So if you do nothing, you will gain nothing. I'm coming to explain to you what I think is the possible future and what I think are the possible opportunities. Indeed, times are becoming more difficult because machines are replacing human beings. Just look at the reality that where you used to have 20 people with a shovel, you now have a premix truck. Where you used to have 3 women with a tub, you now have a washing machine. Where you used to have men clearing a land, you now have a tractor. Indeed, where you used to have people with a cutlass, you now have 1 man with a weed whacker. And so therefore the opportunities for work have reduced. That is why I don't focus on seeking a job, but in fact finding earning potential. Because more and more we'll have to become our own entrepreneurs. To this extent, one should analyze the country, the economy, and how it is creating opportunities for earning. And earning can be through wages, but earning can also be through profits. If you look at what the People's National Party is doing, I think that is creating a lot of opportunities for earning. The devaluation of the dollar is not in itself a negative thing. If you subsidize the dollar, you are indeed subsidizing imports, therefore causing for one to be able to afford cornflakes and choose that over breadfruit. What happens therefore for the breadfruit farmer? We can always remember our mother speaking to foreign mutton versus local mutton. And only time we'll have local mutton was if it was a very, very important occasion, because foreign mutton was much cheaper. What therefore happens to the local goat farmer? We have seen the impact of the devaluation with red stripe moving away from hops imported from the United States and moving into cassava grown in Jamaica. To this extent, one should analyze the country, the economy, and how it is creating opportunities for earning. And earning can be through wages, but earning can also be through profits. If you look at what the People's National Party is doing, I think that is creating a lot of opportunities for earning. That is earning opportunity for Jamaicans. We have seen many hotels moving away from importation and coming into local consumption. Let's look also at inflation. The argument that this devaluation will lead to high prices is defeated by the lowest inflation in over 30 years. That low level of inflation is a calculation of price changes. Therefore, it doesn't fit the argument that it has driven up prices. Also, the reduction in interest rate, causing for you not only to be better able to afford because interest is a cost, therefore leading to a higher price, but better able to start your own activities, better able to own a home, better able to take a loan, better able to invest in your own business. The fact of the matter is that what we are seeking to do as a government, even with the freeing up of entertainment activities, changing the Noise Abatement Act to allow for those persons not disturbing anybody to participate in an event known to have low levels of investment and high levels of return. Our effort to ensure that younger persons are able to earn in areas that they once would have to be seeking a job. The factory that hired 100 people in 1980 is hiring 20 people now. That is called automation and mechanization. We're therefore saying to the young people out there, it doesn't matter if you want to work, if our work don't want you. And that is why all these training facilities are being put in place. That is why we're focusing on education and quality education. That is why we're making sure that there's an equal opportunity by removing the level of shift system in schools. At the end of the day, we don't know if everyone is going to get a full opportunity that he demands or he desires. But we know that as a government, we intend to make an equal opportunity so those who are interested can get what they deserve. One love.